Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the assertion methods React testing library. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. In testing library, there are several assertion methods you can use to validate the behavior and the state of your component. Some of the examples I have been already used, that is get by label, get by placeholder, get by text, get by role, get by test ID. So all already I have explained. Okay. So first one, that is get label by text, finds an element by its associated label text. Placeholder, so that means finds an input element by its placeholder text. If you want to get by the text, so find an element by its visible text content. Get by role finds an element by its area role. Okay. Get by test id, so finds an element by its data test id attribute. Okay. Then we have a query by. Okay. So similar to get by methods, but they will return null if the element is not found or multiple events match. These are useful when you expect the element not to be present in the certain cases. Here you can use query by label text, label placeholder, by text, by role, by test id. Then I need to explain all of this. Okay. Then we have a find by, asynchronous versions of the get by methods that return a promise which resolves when the element is found, useful for testing asynchronous behavior like the data fetching. In that case you will use find by label text, find by placeholder text, find by text, find by role, find by test id. Okay. Next we have the get all by, get or query all by, similar to get by and the query by, but return arrays of elements instead of a single element. Next we have a to have attribute. Okay, something we have a to have attribute checks if an element has specific attribute with a specific value or not. That is the assertion part. To have text content, check if an element has a specific text content or not. To have styles, check if an element has a specific inline style or not. To be in the document, check if an element is present in the document or not. To be disabled, checks if an element is disabled or not. To be enabled, checks if an element is enabled. To be checked, checks if the checkbox or delete button is checked. To have class, checks if an element has a specific class or not. This is a to have classes. So whenever you can see, whenever you have to assert the value that to have that class, to have checked, to have enabled, to be disabled. So all are these are assertion methods that we are using already into our React testing library. Okay. So you have to be very much clear on that. Whether whenever you have the want to check if element has a specific attribute or with a specific value, then you will use to have attributes. So currently you can see that when I do here, okay, so here we have a to have been called. Okay, this is also assertion method, right? And if I open any of the previous one, so here we have a to be in the document. This is also assertion method, that is to be in the document, where it is that checks if an element is present in the document or not. Okay. So all these are the assertion methods that we are using, or I will explain each and everything with the example so that you are going to be very much clear on that. Okay. So just this is like what are the methods that we can use. These are the few one, and the rest of the you will get into their documentation of the gist. Okay. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.